Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Leading off, The Pedestrian, a 2.5D side-scroller puzzle platformer and build-your-own-solution game with a unique art style and centered around public signs, coming January 29th. Find some light in the shadows this holiday season by Goldburl Studios. Another small clip of the environment from our first level by Yamo Studios. New visual goodies, two-way traffic on the slipways, and testing out the new camera script by Jacob. Geno Kids by Nukefist. Using Cinemachine in 3 different cameras to immerse the player into the scene by Crumbling Worlds. Prepare your hero, encounter fierce bosses, and fight for precious blockchain-powered loot by the 6 Dragons. Want to know if you could skip the platforms and gravitate straight up? Definitely, by Gravia Games. New Reload UI, Ammunition UI, and Monsters by Saeed. Here's a taste of combat in Kindred Fates by Skymill Studios. A blockchain game that doesn't feel like a blockchain game. An adventurous sci-fi journey by Age of Rust. Enjoy some Finland footy by Dune, Art of Rally. The link is below. More UI development, shops, and power-ups by Nick. Trying to piece together a little short by Danny. problems with understanding the pull mechanic and decided to visualize it by drawing a small force vector on the HUD by Andre.
There seems to be some kind of elevated platform to your left.
Disarm your enemies and show them how to shoot by Jacob. We'd like to call this Pixelicious Action by Rising Hell. Webcam with VFX Graph by Steven. It started as an animation sketch for the Dungeon Roll mobile port, but quickly got out of hand by Ivan. Parry Everything by Jordy. Test number 433, Procedural City by Wenzi. Some nice looking cameras, shadows, and everything by Anton. Made a Star Wars Blast by Clement. Finally, cycle around the world and compete against your friends, all while getting in shape with RGT cycling. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com, and we're out of here. See you next week.